Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you are staying safe. This week on Guided Reading, we are going to be looking at a new book. But first, let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these to help you with your reading, but the ones that I want you to look at are your eagle eye, which is when you look at pictures in the book to help you with the words, and your stretchy snakes. And that is when you look at the letters in the word and stretch the sounds out slowly. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake together. Trickster. T-r-i-k-s-t-er. You have a go for me? Good job. Well done. Let's try it all together one more time. Trickster. T-r-i-k-s-t-er. Good job. Fantastic. The book that we're going to be reading today is Animal Tricksters. Let's go and have a read. And girls, here is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. Animal Tricksters. Monkey and Mango Island. It was said that Mango Island had the sweetest mangoes in the world. But Mango Island was in the middle of the world's deepest river, and in the river lived the world's meanest crocodiles. 20 of them. No one could reach the delicious mangoes. What a waste! One day, Monkey came to the riverbank with a big basket. The crocodiles sniggered among themselves and snapped their jaws. "What's in that basket for little one?" said the biggest crocodile asked. "I am off to gather mangoes on Mango Island," Monkey replied. "Ha!" said the biggest crocodile. "If you try to cross the river, we 20 crocodiles will eat you up." 20? Monkey looked confused. "There are only 10 of you." "Stupid monkey," the biggest crocodile roared. "Can't you see there are 20 of us?" Monkey shook his head. "I don't know what you mean. I can only count 10. We are the meanest crocodiles in the world." And the biggest crocodile yelled, "And there are 20 of us." "Look," Monkey said, "why don't you line up and let me count you?" The crocodiles lined up side by side. There were so many of them that they stretched all the way from the riverbank to Mango Island. Monkey began to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As he counted, Monkey stepped on the back of each crocodile, basket in hand. 18, 19, 20. He hopped off the last one onto Mango Island. "It's true, there are 20 of you," he called as he scrambled up to the top of the mango tree. "Thank you. Now I can gather mangoes." The crocodiles realized that they had been tricked. "You think you're so clever," the biggest crocodile growled, "but remember, you still have to go back to the riverbank. We'll be waiting for you." With that, the crocodile started to swim around the island, waiting for Monkey to finish gathering mangoes. By the time Monkey had filled his basket full of mangoes, the crocodiles had missed lunch and were very hungry. The biggest crocodile said, "I can't wait to eat his liver. Monkey liver is my favorite food." "My liver?" Monkey said. "Oh, I'm sorry. I left my liver on the riverbank, on the liver tree." "What liver tree?" the biggest crocodile said. "All monkeys hang their livers up to dry on the liver tree," Monkey said. "Do you want me to show you where that is?" "Oh, yes, please," the biggest crocodile said, licking his lips. He was pleased with himself. If Monkey took them to the river tree, there would be more liver for all the crocodiles. "If you let me ride on your back, we can get there more quickly," Monkey said. The biggest crocodile held still while Monkey climbed onto his back and with his basket of mangoes. Just over there, Monkey pointed to the riverbank. The biggest crocodile swam to the riverbank, and his crocodile brothers followed, smacking their lips at the thought of lunch at last. But when they got to the riverbank, Monkey leapt off with the biggest crocodile back and scampered up the tall coconut tree. The crocodiles realized that they had been tricked again. They crawled out of the water to the coconut tree, snapping their jaws in anger. Monkey's brothers and sisters appeared through the leaves high up in the other coconut tree. They laughed and threw coconuts at the crocodiles until the crocodiles were forced back in the water. "You're not going to get away with this," the biggest crocodile roared as he swam away. "We'll be waiting for you." Monkey didn't care. He and his brothers and sisters were busy eating mangoes, and it was true. The mangoes of Mango Island were the sweetest in the world. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, you can rewind the video and listen to me read it again, or down here on Oxford Owl we have the play button where they will read it to you. This week on Guided Reading we are doing our word search again, so all you need to do to access the word search is click on the link that I provide in your class dojo. When you click the link it will come up with this. And to join, all you need to do is enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, it will look like this, and you just need to press start and find all these words down the side. Don't forget to send me a picture of your lovely work. Enjoy and have fun!